Welcome back, students. Let's revise whatever we have studied today. Students, today we have studied about the lesson bar graph. What exactly we have studied in the lesson bar graph? Bar graphs are the graphs where data is represented in the form of graph. For example, there are 5 trees planted in Kolhapur, 10 trees planted in Sangli, 15 trees planted in Mumbai, and 25 trees planted in Pune. This data can be represented in the form of a bar graph, which makes each person to understand the data well. Come on now, let's revise what we have studied today. Our first point was pictograms. What are pictograms? The simple data represented in a form of pictures is called pictogram. One example is shown on page number 35. Let's turn to the next point. Graph paper. You must have seen many times graph paper. It appears mostly in green color. There are few bold lines and few faint lines on the graph paper. The distance between two bold lines is equal to 1 centimeter. Either you go horizontally or you measure it vertically. As well as there are 10 lines horizontally and 10 lines vertically between two bold lines. So in all, in one bold line box, there are 100 small boxes of faint line. What are x-axis and y-axis? The vertical line drawn to the left side of the bar graph or on the graph paper is called the y-axis, and the horizontal line drawn to the below side of the graph is called the x-axis. Data can be represented vertically as well as horizontally. The graphs on your textbook are vertical graphs. In few cases, horizontal graphs can also be drawn. How can a bar graph be drawn? Let's come on page number 37. There are few conditions to draw a bar graph. First of all, what you have to do? You have to first draw the x and y axis on the given graph paper. Then, according to the example, you have to fill data on the x-axis line and the y-axis line. Thinking about the data, you have to find out a common number which can be multiple of it. For example, there is an example on page number 37. There are 70 plants of mogra, 50 plants of zai, 45 plants of hibiscus and 80 plants of chrysanthemum. All these numbers are divisible by 5. 5 into which number will give you 70? 5 into which number will give you 50? 5 into which number will give you 45? And 5 into which number will give you 80? If you consider 1 centimeter is equal to 5, then you have to count that many centimeters or that many units to get 70, 50, 45 and 80. Here we come across bar graphs. It is very simple to draw bar graphs. I hope you have understood how to draw a bar graph. Thank you.